All right, Scran. So today, our buddy needs us to go get a trailer for him. We got the Chummins, did the alternator in this puppy. Remember this thing? But we're going to get a 34-foot trailer up in Vermont, which is 4.5 hours away.
Yep, very far.
It's like 12:30 right now, so we're pretty late onto the expedition. But we're gonna hit the road now, and this is how to make $450 in one day, boys.
Thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't understand how those blades work. Welcome to Vermont, baby, the Green Mountain State.
Yeah, only 2.5 more hours.
Yeah, look, there's a cop right there too.
Yeah, there's cops everywhere out here. Oh, these guys are just being normal though.
Oh, that's like EMT or something.
Like, we've seen cops like hiding in like crevices like that right there, that little grass patch. There'd be a cop. Or like, this is the perfect example. See this mountain? We can't see behind it. Let's see, is there a cop back here? He'd be parked right there.
Massachusetts thing, dude.
Yeah.
For some reason, dude, Massachusetts is fucking bugging out today.
Massachusetts is in fact out to get you.
Yeah.
They want your tax revenue. They want your ticket revenue.
But I did 80 past one of them, and he literally
Turned around,
like looked the other way, like legit turned his car around. Just in case you guys were wondering, Carlos is a little bit gassy. His farts stink, and we need to get gas soon.
You mean fuel?
Yeah, she's a drizzle. All right, so we're getting off the highway, grabbing some fuel, maybe a little snack, maybe some more water, bathroom break, all that fun stuff. Carlos needs a bathroom break because he's been fucking farting up a storm. But yeah, hitting the fuel station.
Damn, this shit's taxed up here. In town, it started going back down.
It's like 480 in town or around us. 509, I mean, it is what it is. We're like right off the highway, so what do you expect?
Look at this dude's setup.
Where the fuck's the diesel?
Right there.
What side is this one? He's here with the dual axle. Fucking 2-car, fucking pussy shit.
AJ's one-handing it with the hot fries.
Back on the road, baby.
Yep, everyone's
2 hours and 11 minutes.
officially rest stopped. We should be good for probably like halfway the ride home, right?
Yeah, probably. I got 2 waters, so I'm good for drinks. 30 minutes away.
I wonder if those track the sun. They kind of look like they do. Oh man, look at this side by side, dude.
Is that it?
Oh, that's it right there. Yep, that's it.
29 on it?
Yeah.
What is this place?
I don't know. This was tickling AJ's fancy.
Yeah, 2002, my boy.
Skid steer's sick.
So this is my dad. He's the owner.
Jeez. Wait, what is this thing? I don't even.
It's a 2014
Oh,
R8.
wow.
Pulled the V8 out, put a V10 in it, Alice Performance, Stage 3 Plus twin turbo kit.
This is
Off a
crazy.
Huracan that was totaled. It's a 2010 458 Italia with 7,000 miles on it. Selling it for $230.
Okay, okay. You have a website or something where
Yeah, Nate's Automotive.
Nate's Automotive in Vermont?
Yeah.
Oh, this is sick.
Yeah, she's for sale. $230K. Nate's Automotive. We also have a body shop back here. Is it gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's ours.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Jeez, these are huge, dude.
Yeah. Some sweet stuff going on. Turbo V8 R8. So
Wow.
this is the first gen R8 with a Hefner twin turbo kit. It's like the first kit they came out with. So like this car safely makes 700 wheel horsepower. The one up on the lift, the V10 twin turbo, he bought the turbo kit off the Lamborghini. He's shooting for 1,400 horsepower on this shit.
Wow.
Yeah. Line up for cars for sale. The truck's back there for sale. And then we have a whole salvage yard type of things.
What's up with this dually, dude? This thing is sick
That's
too.
for sale as well. That's Nate just bought. He just pre-ordered a new one, so that one's going up for sale. We bought this thing out of South Carolina because we need to fill a trailer that we bought. So we literally just saw this thing on marketplace, and two rednecks from the farm just pulled the motor out of their bus and stuffed it in here.
This is sick.
Dude, it fires up, runs and drives, it just has no brakes.
No brakes?
Literally no brakes. So they were trying to convert it to like an 18-wheeler air system brake, but nothing's good.
Is it for sale?
Oh yeah, it's for sale.
You have I feel like of all the vehicles you've showed us, this is the most likely to be sold on our channel.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, dude, shoot us an offer.
how here, shout
I'd be
out
happy with
how
that.
do you want people to reach out to you to try and buy it?
Reach me out at Johnny DeVock on Facebook or Instagram, Snapchat, Johnny D BBT, or just shoot us a message, Nate's Automotive.
In Vermont.
In Vermont. We have a website, we have a Facebook, so reach out to us. I mean, we got all the craziest shit.
There you guys go.
This thing's
Look for
set
this.
to 2016 High Runner Denali, bone stock. It's got 200K, but it's a decent price. It's
Wait, well you said this thing runs?
yeah.
Let's fire this thing up.
Let me grab 2 jumper packs.
Like who?
It's rear mount radiator and rear mount intercooler.
Dude, I didn't know places like this existed, like you said.
Same, like they just got Ferraris and shit kicking around.
Yeah.
Like,
I think the owner's just V10 swapping his R8.
I just don't know if we probably have Atlas one.
that sounds wonderful. Out here at Nate's Automotive in Vermont.
We're going for a poll in this Performance Model Y. I don't know what year it is, but this kind gentleman's gonna bring us for a rip.
Let's do it. All right, so I've never actually had to deal with this situation here. Which way does, okay, so thumb that way.
Push the big part, yeah.
Wow, this is sick. Oh,
Put the seat up, is it okay?
Oh yeah.
buckle up for
Does this
safety.
thing have like funky horns and shit too?
Oh my God, what is that?
It's a goat.
Wait, hold on. Do that again. What the? Oh my God. That's hilarious. Wait, so is there a boost mode, or this one doesn't have a boost mode or nothing like that?
I think it's just always in it.
Oh, this is just always in boost mode?
Yeah.
Or ludicrous mode, whatever? Even though I know this one doesn't actually have ludicrous mode, but this is a performance, right?
Yes.
Autopilot, all that shit, dude.
It says tap key card and press brake to drive. Is there some ritual you have to perform to get
Oh,
this
yeah.
thing to move? You guys just casually have the R8
Oh yeah.
running. All right, well, I'm kind of nervous here. This is my first. Here, we'll get the. Oh no. Oh, we're coming to a stop. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Holy shit! Yeah, that is pretty fucking
It
good.
definitely pulls you to the seat.
No sound, nothing. It's
Yeah,
just like,
It just goes.
yeah.
Cool. Well, that was a first. I've never gotten to experience a Model Y performance
I've
full
never
throttle
been inside one.
or full acceleration, whatever you call
Look
it.
at like the battery life. It's like a phone. It says 295. That's crazy. This thing's sick.
Got this beautiful scenery as well. Look at this mountain in the background. From a dig.
Dude, this thing moves pretty fucking good.
Yeah, it does for like an economy vehicle. Good for the environment. Good for smiles. That's what it's good for.
You can like hear the motor. It's like back here, like super quiet. It sounds like when you have like a shitty audio connection and you have like a cigarette.
Finally making the pickup after a super fun little tour of Nate's Automotive out here in Vermont. Link in the description. Time to get back to business. Just everyone gets rowdy here. AJ's saying there's no trailer brakes, so we're gonna take a look at the nice scenery.
I-89 south.
Wait, so why are the back row not tilted as well?
I have no clue.
Interesting. Very interesting. It looks really neat though, look at that.
Yeah, it does.
Shout out to that guy. Sick setup.
4 hours there, 4 hours back. It's about 8 hours. We'll just round up to 10 with gas stops, restroom, eating, all that stuff. 10 hours. I'm getting paid $450 plus gas, plus the fuel cost. Which for this thing, it's gonna be like
pretty
$150.
good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
And we put quite a few miles on it, but $450 over 10 hours, we'll call it. That's pretty good. I think that's $45 an hour for hanging out with my boy and his dog and just driving.
Wait, that dealership was sick.
The dealership was sick. I've never really been to Vermont, even though I didn't really stop and see anything. I'm like, you know, seeing while I'm driving. The scenery out here is crazy.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Like there's mountains, there's all that, there's water. Vermont's a pretty nice place. I would never live here because the winter. I don't want to deal with the snow. But that's besides the point. It was a nice little daycation, we'll call it, and I'm getting paid to do it. You can't beat it, boys.
Well, we're triple dipping too because the YouTube video, let's be honest, the ad rev also counts, so.
This truck blew out a fucking tire right in the middle of all this construction. It's got his 3 DOT reflective triangles under the passenger seat. He put out.
Turn right on US 4.
All right, we're getting some gas.
Good thing you can't see all the time.
Massachusetts welcomes you. Connecticut welcomes you. Ned Lamont Governor. That is it for this video. We got the trailer back. They bought it sight unseen. I hope that they understand that. But they're gonna come either tomorrow or the next day to like take it away. This is way closer than where it was, so I just did that for them. But we gotta move some stuff around out back and get it all situated and stuff. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. How to make $450 in a day with your boy and his dog. You know what I mean? So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.